Ram Krishna, Joint Convener, Dr. Jichil Maji, Faculty Coordinator, Scientist from NML, and faculty members of the Institute, my dear students and participants from various institutions. A very good morning to all of you. It's my great honor and privilege to honor you all in this conference, AMPT 224. First and foremost, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Dr. Sandeep Ghosh Chaudhary, Director CSIR NML, who graciously accepts our invitation to be with us this morning. I personally am very thankful to him. Whenever any program of students and we are sending our request to the Director CSIR NML, Dr. Chaudhary, he accepts all the invitations. Thank you very much, sir. I would also like to welcome our beloved Deputy Director, Professor R.V. Sharma, who always encourage and motivate us to organize the workshop and conferences, and in particular, any type of student event for the students and by the students.